Welcome back. In this video, let us see how we are able to find out the anniversary for each of the employees who are given in this particular Excel sheet. For each of the employees, we can find out when they have joined and when is the anniversary. For every year, we are able to find out what is the anniversary so that the company can give some bonuses. Let us say the company has decided to give out some bonuses for each and every employee when they complete their anniversary. For that, let me type first anniversary. So this is the first anniversary. I wanted to calculate when is the anniversary for Tia. For one employee, I can simply Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. I can change the year to 2013 to 2014. So this will be the anniversary for Tia reading. Now, I wanted to find out for other employees who are also part of this company. There are many employees who are working for this company, and for each of the employees, I have to find out the anniversary. I cannot copy paste and I cannot change or update the year, right? So what I will do, I will use the formula to calculate the anniversary. I have to use the formula which is called as date. So I'll use the formula date and open the bracket. I need to select year. This is already giving the year. I wanted to find out the anniversary. That is the reason I am using year. And I have to choose the cell reference. So this is the cell reference which I have to choose, which is G3. Then I will close the bracket. The first anniversary will be +1. So I have to use +1 for the first anniversary. Basically, I am incrementing by 1. And I have to use the month, month, open the bracket, because I want this anniversary to be in a proper format. So that is the reason I have to use date, year, then cell reference, increment by 1, which is nothing but increment by 1 year, then month. For the month, I need to select, since I have opened the bracket, I need to select the same cell reference, which is nothing but G3, close the bracket, then comma. Also, I need to mention day, because you have the day, month, year format, right? So I also need to use the format, which is day, then open the bracket, select the cell reference again, and close the bracket. So this will be my formula. So this is the formula to increment by 1. I will press enter now. Now I am able to find out the first anniversary for Wade Larson. Since we have found out the first anniversary for Wade Larson, I'll be able to apply the same formula for all the employees. I can click on this cursor which has turned into the plus. So I'll double tap or double click. It has filled the first anniversary for all the employees. But this cell, which is H1, doesn't have the formula which has been applied. Sorry, this is H2, doesn't have the formula which has been applied. You can see here, this doesn't have the formula. Whereas we started the formula from H3. So we can see the H3 as the formula here. How to apply the formula for H2 for Tia reading? I can simply copy this formula, copy, and Control V to paste. It has applied the same formula which was used for Wade Larson, and it has applied for Thea reading else as well. So now the formula has been applied for Thea reading. There is another shortcut to find out the first anniversary. I will just copy the date of joining here, Shift and Control, then drop down, Control C and Control V. So I have copied the date of joining. What I will do is I will use Control F, then I'll say 2013, and I wanted to replace with 2014. If all the employees have joined in the same year, you are able to see all the employees have joined the same year. Only thing is the date is changed. So they have joined in different dates, but in the same year. I can use find and replace to replace only the year. So it will change the 2013 to 2014. I'll say replace all. So now you can see it has changed to 2014. Whereas if the employees have joined in different years, then it will be difficult to use this method, find and replace. You need to select find and also replace with the year for each of the employees who have joined in different years. So I'll delete this. So we have found out the first anniversary for all the employees. Now what I wanted to do is I also wanted to find out the second anniversary. So I'll copy the first anniversary and make it as second anniversary like this. So now I got the second anniversary in column I. I will simply copy this formula and I will paste in the second anniversary column. So this is the second anniversary column. Now I got it. This formula works fine because 2014 February 24th and February 24th 2015 is the second anniversary. February 2014 is the first anniversary. By using the same formula, we are able to find out the second anniversary as well. But I wanted to keep the date of joining as the reference point. I don't want this first anniversary as my reference point. Simply because if this data is kept anyway as it is, if this data is being deleted, then you don't have the calculated data for the second anniversary. So in that case, I'll do Control Z to undo. That is the reason why I wanted to keep the date of joining as the reference point. So in that case, what I have to do is I have to modify the formula in certain way so that it will take column G and column G and row 2 as the reference point. Wherever H2 is there, I have to make it as G2. And since I wanted to increment by 2 because I wanted to find out the second anniversary for the employee, then I have to use the number 2, right? Because this is my second anniversary. And wherever we have H2, we will use G2. So this is the method how we are able to keep the date of joining as the reference point to calculate first anniversary, second anniversary, third anniversary in a series. So now I got my calculation, my result, which is correct. So keeping date of joining as the reference point. And if I wanted to make the third anniversary like this, every third anniversary, maybe the employees are getting bigger bonus compared to first anniversary and second anniversary. I can copy this formula again and Similarly, wherever H2 is there, I will use G2 as the reference. G2 as my reference. And I have to increment by 3 because this is my third anniversary, right? I have changed the reference point to date of joining and I have incremented by 3. G2 is my reference point because this is the joining, and 3 I have incremented because third anniversary I wanted to find out. For the month also I have kept the G2 as the reference point. Now enter. I will get the third anniversary as 2016. So 2013 date of joining, first anniversary 2014, 2015 is the second anniversary, third anniversary is 2016. I wanted to copy the same formula for all the employees. So I use this particular plus cursor again to double click. So the formula has been applied for all the employees for the second anniversary, and also I will use the same method to update for the third anniversary. So now we have find out the first anniversary, second anniversary, and third anniversary for all the employees. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share. Thank you and take care.